Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 13 and we are at 0.008%. So let's see what happened on day 13. So our expenditures, our investments are still at $61.6 and our AdSense revenue reached $146.1. That makes our profit $84.5, and our investments are still only this one microphone, this HyperX SoloCast microphone for $61.6. And the top comment box is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked ones. So let's open up the YouTube Studio and see what happened on day 13. So as you can see, our subscriber count is at 1,710. And let's jump into the statistics to see how our channel is doing. So our view count is at 70,800 for the last 28 days, which is a record for our channel. And our watch time hours just passed 1,000 hours for 1 month, which is a huge milestone for us. We never had such high watch time hours. Our subscriber count grew by 258 this last 28 days, and our estimated revenue, as I mentioned, is at $146.1. Let's jump into the revenue statistics to see some more details about it. As you can see, our RPM, it shows that it's 2.5, but it's not a real number because, as you can see, more than half of the month wasn't monetized. So, and this RPM is calculated for the last 28 days. But if we change it to the last 7 days, it changes immediately to $5. So our RPM, our real RPM, is around $5. So the March revenue was $44, but we were monetized only for around 4 days. And our April revenue today is at $101. Our top profitable videos are the following. The Revolut Junior video just took over and it's on the first place with the most revenue generated. And now the second one is the how to earn interest on cryptocurrency. This video was our most profitable for a couple of days. Sorry, just have to close this. And yeah, here are some of our other profitable videos. You can stop the video here if you want to analyze all these details. Revenue source is like almost all of it comes from the ad revenues. Only 41 cents comes from YouTube Premium. What else? Here are the countries that generate most of our revenue. Australia is in first place with $30. United States is at second place. Netherlands, Canada, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Israel, Germany, Ireland, and so on and so on. As you can see, let's see which country is the last. Bermuda, nice, and Western Sahara with 28 cents and 56 cents. So these are the countries by revenue. And also I want to check how is our average view duration. Yeah, so our average view duration is right now at 50 seconds. That's what I would like to increase in the next period. Let's see. Oh, actually we are increasing it step by step. As you can see, in the last 90 days our average was 48 seconds, but in the last 28 days it grew to 50 seconds, which is not a lot, but still an improvement. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's statistics. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you want to follow our journey, just check out this playlist to see how we started and how we are doing right now. If you have any ideas, just leave them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.